Have you wondered why you can find water in the airbox of the bike, or where you find that once you find that you have water in the airbox, the air filter, as you can see there, of the pipe, you may find that we have a failed water cooling system. This happened by when the water pump fails, when the head gasket fails, and the water is drawn into the engine oil, and when the engine oil turns milky, as you can see there, and this one which I'm draining here, when the engine oil turns milky, there you can find that when the engine gets hot, the water falls off from the engine oil, then evaporates, then it condenses and it condenses in the airbox. Welcome back to the channel, Speed and Sound Motors Garage. My name is Katumba Patrick, and today I have a special case. I have this Honda Forza MF08. The owner was complaining about his finding the engine temperatures goes high and is finding water from the air cleaner pumps. This happened with two major causes. One is the failed water pump seal, the water seal, and the oil seal for the water pump. And the second one is caused by the head gasket. But to our finding, we have made our inspection, a head gasket, and we found that it is okay. And then the another culprit is this water pump. Come and I show you.
Bogam, kanena musuhnya polisi polisi. Oye, thanks.
So now this is the water pump unit of this Honda MF-08. It's a Honda Forza EX, and as you can see, it has this hole. This is a safety relief hole, in that whenever this is the side for the water or coolant, this is the oil side. When the oil seal fails, to prevent the water to mix with the oil in the radiator, this safety hole is provided so that if the oil seal fails, water comes out through this hole here. And if the water pump fails, water pump seal, the mechanical seal under this impeller, if it fails, water should be flowing through this hole, and then it goes down outside the engine. And this is the one which should prevent the oil from entering the water, from water going into the oil. And this is caused by let me show you. So this hole here, this one should be aligning with the same hole here on the seat. This same hole here in the crankcase, but it's the same, but should be coming out through this underside here. Here. Here down here. But to our finding is that this hole is blocked. So, as you can see, yeah, maybe water was coming out through this hole down here. Let me see if I can show it to you. Put it here down. So then it was blocked maybe by the person who was using the bike by the time, and now just while it is blocked, if anything happen, if any of the seals happen to be failing, there would be no safety relief unless water then remaining with the water going to the oil sump. So we are going to unblock this. We are going to unblock this hole here, this one. I don't know if you can see that falling down. We are going to unblock it. You see? So as you can see there, they're able to remove the dirt that may cause the problem. So now we are going to replace the water pump with this other pump. It's a brand new pump. We are not going to rebuild this old one because we are not happening to have the right water pump seal, the mechanical seal to replace. We are going to replace with this brand new water pump so that we get the job done. So that is going to be today's job. We are going to replace that that water pump. We got it, as you're seeing there. That's how it's going to be working, and disassembled the pipe. So make sure that you don't tamper with the safety relief hose due to the oil to water or water to oil mixtures. So subscribe to the channel. That has been for today. Be vigilant on your cooling system. If it gets a problem, rush the service center. Then they work on your bike before you get to subscribe to the channel. I sign out.